This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME here in Chicago. And we are looking at the grain markets. I want to specifically start with that March corn contract bumping right up against technical resistance, which we have outlined in our Grain Express that we send out in the mornings, 366.5 to 369. This is some key Fibonacci retracement levels as well as some moving averages. Now on the bottom side, 357 to 358.5 needs to hold. The bulls are in control so long as they can maintain that on a closing basis. However, I think the bulls need to be a little bit cautious at the top end of resistance, especially with that RSI, or relative strength index, at the highest levels we have seen for this specific March corn contract. Now, as far as the soybeans are concerned, I think it's very difficult to say who's in control. It's probably more neutral than anything. Waiting for new news, largely probably from South America weather, to give us either a breakout or a breakdown. 988 resistance, 980 support on a closing basis. Either way, I think gives you 20 cents. Now, wrapping things up with the wheat market, wheat has been on a nice run. I think if we stall out against 471, which represents a 200-day moving average, we could see some sellers and some long liquidation press this market back towards 441 3/4, which was previous resistance, now becomes support and also represents that 100-day moving average. That's what we're looking at to round up the week. That's what you should be looking at too. It's been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.